Imagine you are cruising down the highway and your V8 engine suddenly feels like it has lost all its muscle or starts shaking like it is about to fall apart. If you see the code P3441 on your scanner, your car is having trouble with the cylinder number 6 deactivation or intake valve control circuit. This system is designed to save you money at the pump by shutting down certain cylinders during light loads, like when you were just coasting on the freeway. But when it fails, the engine control module might actually disable the fuel injector for that cylinder to protect the engine, which causes a very noticeable misfire. This code is quite common on vehicles from manufacturers like General Motors, Chrysler, and Dodge that use cylinder deactivation technology. The first thing you should do is check your engine oil level and pressure. It might sound strange, but these systems rely on oil pressure to move the lifters and solenoid. If your oil is low or dirty, the system cannot function and will trigger this code. Many people make the mistake of replacing expensive solenoids when all they really needed was a simple oil change. If your oil is fine, you need to look at the wiring and the deactivation solenoid itself. These solenoids are usually tucked away near the intake manifold. Look for any wires that might have been chewed by rodents or melted by engine heat. You should also check the connectors for any green corrosion or loose pins. For the more advanced steps, you will need a digital multimeter to check for continuity. When testing the wiring with the power off, you should see 0 ohms of resistance. If you see high resistance or an open circuit, you have found your problem. In some cases, the oil passages themselves can get blocked by sludge, meaning you might need to clean the system or even flash the engine control module if the software is acting up. Do not let this issue linger because a constant misfire can lead to permanent internal engine damage that will cost a lot more than a solenoid or an oil change.